Hey, what's up? I mean, what's up with your geyser? You know, up in your ceiling. You'll probably only think about it when it needs replacing, right? But do you actually know what's up when getting a new geyser? What make should you get? What type should it be? What size? What warranty does it have? And is it properly installed? Remember that even the best geysers have a 10 to 15 year lifespan. So, what's up with choosing and installing your geyser? Finding a suitable geyser begins with understanding your needs and how to meet them. But what's up with what's right for your home? Factors to consider: geyser capacity and installation space, speed and efficiency of heating element, electrical, gas or solar, brand reputation and heritage, safety features and warranty length, and installation costs, all of which should be advised by a trained professional who should also come with recommendation. But what's up with proper installation? Things to look out for: correct location close to your outlets, secure mounting, stable brackets and fasteners, electrical compliance, safe wiring and connections, correct plumbing, proper fittings and no leaks, and accessibility for maintenance. Of course, we believe the answer to what's up should always be Ariston, because we have been a global specialist in water heating for over 60 years. Our innovative energy-conscious products are designed to last, delivering sustainable comfort for longer with less energy and effort, so we can all continue to enjoy life at home and on our planet. What's up? Ariston, of course.